Hi, welcome to day 2. So today what we're going to focus on is what is your ideal role? What is your ideal company? And also, what are your non-negotiables? So first of all, I'd like you to think about the self-reflection we did yesterday. Your main strengths, your core values, and also your likes from day 1. Off the back of those, I would like you to write down what your ideal role is. What is your idea of perfection? So I'd like you to reach for the stars with this one. Be realistic, of course, but what is your ideal role? What are you doing every day, every week? And put that down based off your strengths, your values, and your likes. And you can be as detailed as possible. As you can see, there's quite a lot of space for you to write what your ideal role is. And then I'd like you to think about the criteria of your ideal company. So how big is it? Is it a large global corporate or is it a small tech startup? What kind of industry is it in? Is it in software or is it in healthcare? Is it in what kind of industry? And then what about the location? Are you working in a hybrid, remote or on-site role? What's important to you there? Consider as well, for example, maybe policies like, for example, learning and development or diversity and inclusion. If you're a parent, parenting policies might also be important to you. So put down all the criteria that's really important to you in your ideal company and list it all there like a blank canvas. Try not to think about a specific company at this stage. List the criteria of what your ideal company really looks like. And then I'd like you to think about what your non-negotiables are and what an acceptable role is. Acceptable role and an acceptable company is for you. So, for example, say that this is your ideal role and company and this is your acceptable role and company. You're probably going to find somewhere in between, but you want somewhere that's higher up here with your ideal role and company. But what for you is acceptable in terms of the role that you're doing, the type of company that you will work for? And then also, what are your non-negotiables? What kind of company or what kind of role will you really not do? What is unacceptable to you? And I'd like you to put this all down so that you can think about what is your ideal, what is acceptable, and what will you not do? What is your non-negotiable? And you can do this whilst you're gaining clarity. So if you can spend your day thinking about that, about what your ideal role, company, and non-negotiables are, and that will set you up for day 3. Thank you.